What's up, Mons? Welcome back to another video. You read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you already know what this is about. The DND steering wheel and NRG quick release. Let's open them up. So on the DND packaging, you can see this. Oh yeah, cover the. You can see this super dope DND performance interior tape. Let's get into it. Take it out. Alright, so here's the box. This is DND on literally every side but the bottom. That is awesome. Alright, I got a little, I think it's a microfiber rag. Here's the horn.
Oh, you got stickers.
2 stickers, and here is all the wiring. Now on the NRG quick release. Alright y'all, so next I got the NRG quick release. This is the third gen, and I got it in red to match like the theme of the car. And on the interior and on the steering wheel, I did get the leather one, not the Alcantara, because the oils in your hands ruin the Alcantara, and I'm not gonna be doing any like crazy track stuff. So here's the quick release. Basically how it works, you just pull it.
Winter, come here.
Alright, don't be an idiot like me and fucking launch it at the ground. Don't do that, it's not a good idea. You could possibly ruin it. I didn't ruin mine, but you could ruin yours. Just don't do what I did and launch it at the fucking ground. That's just so stupid. I don't know why I did that. Also, this video is not sponsored. I bought the NRG quick release and I bought the DND steering wheel because I felt like it, not because they sponsored me, okay? But they definitely should, because my car's gonna look sick. It's like that. And then to put it back on, you just bam, just like that.
What?
So this is the quick release, and what comes inside is little book thing, steering wheel, seats. Alright, y'all, sorry for the loud baby. But it also comes with this ring to put inside here so that when you put the horn on, it fits better. I'm pretty sure that's what it's for. And then we've got these rings to ground, for the ground wire. And then we've got all the hardware. Got the little Allen key, NRG sticker. Now, let's get inside the car and I'll show you guys how to install it. Okay, so when I got this car, it already had an aftermarket wheel, but it was like old and crusty, and it was the Alcantara one, and the Alcantara was just horrible, and it was all rubbed off. I think you guys have seen it in my videos. I already took it off because I was impatient. I knew they were coming today, so I just like took it off. But now I'm gonna take this hub off. Hit me up if you guys want it. It's not a quick release, it's just a hub. So I'll get back to you guys when this is off. Alright y'all, so I got the old hub off. So now I'm going to put the new quick release on. And so I already have the wires and everything set up. So what I'm gonna do, instead of putting it on like this, I'm just gonna detach it. And I'm going to wire these up, put this on. And yeah. Alright y'all, so I got this piece of the quick release on, just like that here, and now I guess the only thing left to do is to install the steering wheel. Let's do that. Okay, so the quick release came with these to put the ground wires on, but my ground wire was already taken care of, so I don't need those. But now I'm gonna put the steering wheel on. I'm not gonna put the horn on right now because I accidentally broke something and I need to fix it. So I'll get back to you guys when I have the steering wheel on. Alright, so just in case you guys got confused, so on the horn there's this little lever here on the side. So when you're putting it into the steering wheel, you're gonna want to put that end in first, and then it just clips in, just like that. Alright, I'll get this stuff mounted real quick. Alright guys, so I'm almost the way there. I got these two bolts on. I decided to go with like this pattern, like 2 black, 1 silver, 2 black, 1 silver, because one of the black ones, one of the Allen key holes was like halfway closed, and so I couldn't even get an Allen key in it. So I just used 2 of the silver screws that came with it, because it came with 2 packs of screws, a pack of black ones and a pack of silver ones. I'm guessing just like because some people prefer silver, some people prefer black. But I'm going to try to install the horn. I think I fixed the problem, so I'll hand the phone to my girlfriend. So basically what I did is right here, see this thing? It was also right here, but then I accidentally broke it off. And so then I just stripped the wire and like rolled it into a ball and then shoved it in the hole. I know it's not like the best thing to do. So let me just plug these in. Oh yeah, it worked. Work, guys. Now the challenge is fucking getting it in there. How am I supposed to do this? There's like barely any room in this NRG hub. It just fucking pops back out. I'm gonna do the same thing because it doesn't really work because this big piece right here. So I'm gonna do the same thing and just like crumple up the wire and stick it in the hole. So I'll get back to you guys when I got the horn on. So I got the steering wheel on. Horn works. And here, come here. This is what the people like to see. Just like that. Doesn't make the loud ding, but let's say you want to put it on like this and spin it to make some funny sounds. Bam. Let me clean up my mess. I have a big mess, and then I might take it on a drive. I don't know, because I just put some JB Weld and it takes a little bit to, so I might drive down the street and back. But I'll get back to you guys when I have my mess cleaned up. Alright, so just in case you guys are new to this channel, my name's Noah. I make scootering and car videos. Car videos are mainly about my car, and my car is a 1993 Mazda Miata. It's the 1.6. It's a little fucked up in the front, but I'm gonna fix that soon. Alright, here's the, put this on, take it off and on for you guys. So, taking it off. I love that feeling, that's awesome. Okay, let's start my car. Just gonna take it on the block, show you guys how it drives. And hopefully it's not crooked. I like the feeling of the deep dish steering wheel. Oh fuck, I forget. I scrape right here. Okay, I'm interrupting the video again. Here's the steering wheel right here. Here is the steering wheel. Here is the steering wheel right here. I had trouble stating that. I want to say it is amazing quality. The NRG quick release and the DND steering wheel, they're just, oh my gosh. The wheel and the quick release feels so good. And when you're steering, it's like, oh. And when you snap off the steering wheel, snap it on, it's like, and it's awesome. It's so much fun. Like, it completely 100% recommend a DND steering wheel and one of those quick releases. Like, if y'all got a project car or you're interested in this and you didn't have a project car, let's fuck it. Even if you're not interested in that stuff, everybody needs this. And yes, I'm still in my work shirt. Shout out Little Caesars.
Okay.
Okay. Which way do you want to go?
That way.
We'll try some. Alright, this is possibly my last time interrupting the video. But what you're about to see me do not try it. Okay? Because earlier that day, I went and did it again. And I damn near drove up onto the curb. Okay? Do not try what you're about to see me do. It is stupid. Don't do it. And if you do it, you didn't see it here. You didn't get the idea here. Okay? Okay. Oh no! Oh my god.
What?
I have to take my hand off the steering wheel to hit the blinker. I need to get one of those blinker extensions. I didn't think I'd actually need one, but if you guys get a deep dish steering wheel, I recommend getting a blinker extender too, because I mean, I gotta reach my hand all the way. I don't like that, but I like it at the same time. So we'll turn right here. Alright guys, so here's the old one. Here's the new one. Pretty big difference. That one was an NRG. This is the DND. It's a lot bigger too. Stretching. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My 100% opinion on the steering wheel, it's amazing. My 100% opinion on the quick release, it's amazing. Just my one complaint. Okay, my one complaint is when you push this down, right there where it's supposed to knock this little pin down, it doesn't. So You have to turn it at a certain angle, push it down, and it works. So if it's right here where this little divot is, it doesn't work, which I'm pretty sure that's where it's supposed to work. But if it's anywhere else, it works. So that's the one thing I don't like about this quick release, but I mean, it's nothing major or crazy. So I definitely recommend both of these pieces to everybody. But I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope I inspired some of you guys to get the steering wheel or the quick release. So stick around. Another Miata video coming soon. Another skate park video coming soon. Do you want to say it?
What?
Say it.
What do I say?
What do I always say?
Oh, like, subscribe, and comment.
No, but that too.
Like, comment, and share.
What do I end the video saying?
I don't remember.
Wow, okay. Well, she obviously doesn't watch my videos, so.
I do.
Peace, moms.
Oh, yeah, peace.